that sound? Yo, what the hell, man?
Calm down, dude. It's just me.
Nah, bro, the fidget spinner.
This little thing?
Yeah, bro, you know how I feel about that.
Oh my god, you're overreacting.
Bro, get out. I'm just trying to sleep, man. Come on.
Hello? Yeah, I just woke up. You want to meet right now? Yeah, I'll come. I'll come get food too. Hey, I'll Uber there, alright? I'll meet you there, alright? Okay, alright, bro. See you there.
Hey, are you Nawang?
Yeah. Are you Kev, the Uber driver?
Yeah, come in.
Alright, sweet, thanks.
Hey, are you going to Denny's?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. It's a pretty nice day today.
Nah, yeah, it is. I'm surprised.
Nice and hot. The sun is out.
Yeah. Dude, what are you doing?
Hey, I just do this when I'm driving.
For what though? Why?
I don't know, why not? They're pretty fun. Check your passenger seat. There's a couple right there too.
Dude, yo, get me out of this car, man. Thank God that was just a